Welcome to my YouTube channel. In the today's lecture, I am going to teach you how to create a Google form using the Google form option. So first, you open your Chroma browser. So after opening a Chroma browser, just log into your Gmail ID. Okay. So after logging into a Gmail ID, go to Google Apps option and select Google Forms. So whenever you select a Google form, okay, the Google form option will be opened. So after opening a Google form, what you do, just click on a create new quiz. Okay, create new quiz or create a blank quiz, or else you can go into this menu option. Okay, if you click on a menu option, there are different options are there. So in that you can click on a form. So this particular tab will be opened. So just create on a blank quiz. So when you click create on a blank quiz, one blank quiz will be opened. So in that, first you have to give a blank quiz name. So say suppose I'm giving A, B and C. So this is the name of the quiz, and which type of quiz you are conducting, just you enter the name of it. So I am entering general, GENERAL, general. Okay, general type of quiz. Okay, so this is the first thing we need to do. Okay, so if you click over there, so this can be changed like A, B, C only. Okay, then the questions need to be put, okay, inside this. So if you wanted to put name of the students, put name. So for name you doesn't require anything, so there are options are there in this, so you can select any of the options. Okay, so for name the short answer is required, you can choose a short answer. Okay, so I'm choosing short answer. So student can select a student can enter a name over here. So if you click a required button, so student need to enter his name in that tab, otherwise it will not go further, or he is not able to submit that form. Okay, so if you want to add one more question over here, just click on a add question. Okay, so here if you required roll number of student, just enter a roll number and you can go into this option and select a short answer. Okay, student can enter his roll number in this tab. Okay, here also you click a required option. Okay, this is the first section I have explained you. If you want one more section, so student has to go to the next page and he has to attempt his quiz, then you can click a add section over here. Click a add section. Okay, the section is displayed over here. You can put the title of that section. Okay, quiz continued, quiz continued. Okay, and put a description if it is required, otherwise leave it. Okay, and you add your first question over here. So first question will be, I'll put what is the capital of India. Okay, I have put the capital of India. You can choose it from here, multiple choice question. If you select multiple choice grid, the grid will be created, so it is required multiple choice question. So if you enter the options, which are the options uh, for this question, just I'll put it as Mumbai I am putting as a second. Add, you click on a add option, this it will add an option. Second option I'll put it as a Delhi. Okay, I'll put third option as a Bangalore. Okay, and you click fourth option as a Chennai. If students want to know the answer, so you can click. If your student want to know the answer, correct answer, so you have to give him the correct answer by clicking on this answer key. So click on a answer key, correct answer as a Delhi. Okay, if he clicks on a Delhi, he gets a 1 point, otherwise he will not get any point. Just click on a done. Okay, here also in the roll number you can see 1 point has been added. You can remove this 1 point from here, otherwise it will add it to main point, total points. So you can see I have added one question over here, total 1 point is added. For the learning purpose only I am adding one question over here. If you want to see this form how it looks, just click on this preview button. So when you click on a preview button, so the form is look like this. So I have created a question in the next section, that's why only here it is displaying name and roll number. So name you can put it as ABC. So I'm putting for an example, put as roll number. Okay, so if you go into the next tab, so the question will be displayed over here. So I can choose it as a Delhi as a correct answer. Okay, Delhi as a correct answer. I am submitting this form. Okay, quiz. So when a student submit this question or form, so the response will be recorded over here. You can see the response, one response I got over here, response is recorded. Okay, so in the next video I am going to explain you more of Google Form settings. Okay, if you like this video, subscribe my channel and click on a bell icon so that I can create a more number of videos. Thank you for watching my video. Okay, thank you.